In this lesson, you'll become more familiar with the Adobe After Effects project workflow. You'll learn new ways to accomplish basic tasks as you create a simple identification graphic for the introduction to a video presentation called Explore Hawaii for the fictional Blue Crab Charter Services. You will animate the title and logo so that they fade to become a watermark in the lower right corner of the screen during the presentation. Then you'll export the introduction for broadcast output. First, take a look at the final project files to see what you'll be doing. Make sure the following files are in the Lesson 02 folder on your hard disk, or download them from www.adobepress.com now. In the Assets folder, bluecrablogo.ai and mauicoast.jpg. In the Sample Movies folder, lesson02.avi and lesson02.mov. Open and play the lesson02.avi sample movie in Windows Movies and TV, or the lesson02.mov sample movie in QuickTime Player to see what you will create in this lesson. When you are done, close Windows Movies and TV or QuickTime Player. You may delete the sample movies from your hard disk if you have limited storage space. Before you begin the lesson, you'll restore all of the default application settings for After Effects. See Restoring Default Preferences on page 3 for more information. Start After Effects and then immediately hold down Ctrl-Alt-Shift on Windows or Command-Option-Shift on Mac to restore default preferences settings. When prompted, click OK to delete your preferences. In the Home window, click New Project. After Effects opens to display a blank untitled project. Choose File, Save As, and Save As, and in the Save As dialog box, navigate to the Lesson 02 Finished Project folder. Name the project Lesson 02 _finished.aep and click Save.